Hey guys, today I wanted to give you a tour of my new studio. We have moved into our own house and we've been here for about 3 weeks, almost a month now. And it's been a massive process, but I do finally have like my own studio. I mean, I've always had one, but you know what I mean, like I feel like this one's a little bit different because it's inside the house. And yeah, I don't know, I just feel like I've really been able to do what I want with this one, so I'm super excited. So it is still a work in progress. There's still a few things that I need to get eventually, and you know, I need a little bit more space, and I'm going to make upgrades as we go and all that kind of stuff, but this is how it's looking now, so I just want to show you. Okay, so when you walk in, this is the view from the door. So yeah, let's just get started. So when you first come over, I've got these set of drawers here from Kmart, and just some little decorations and stuff. So I'm not entirely sure what this drawer is going to hold yet, but in the bottom level at the moment I have my camera equipment, so like chargers and cables and all that kind of stuff, like anything that I'm going to need like that. And then coming over this side I have my bookshelf. I got this one from Kmart a couple of years ago as well, and this just holds majority of my Toy Story stuff. Apparently I have a lot. So yeah, this one's mainly for decoration obviously, but yeah, in my studio I always like to bring a bit of my personality into it, and I love pop culture, I love collecting things like this, so yeah. And then coming up we have these shelves. These are the floating shelves from Kmart and I absolutely love these. I feel like these work out perfectly, like they just look so nice in the room. And I've just got some of like some more like pop vinyls. I've got some things from like the games that I like. I've got some things from Batman, Toy Story, Groot, things from TV shows. So yeah, this is probably the highlight of my room, to be honest. I love these so much. I think it turned out really, really well. Coming over here, we've just got another shelf. This one is from Kmart. Just got a couple of mugs, my strawberry shortcake pop, and then I've also got my Beetlejuice Build-A-Bear. Then over here we have my desk. So this is what you guys will see in the background. Obviously it's the same desk as last time, same mirror, everything like that. So yeah, I've just got a couple of decorations on top. Still, I feel like I'm pretty happy with it. Still don't know what the future's gonna look like, but anyway. Down here I just have a box of Halloween stuff that doesn't fit in my drawers. I think it looks really awful, so I'm gonna find a different way to store those, but for the time being that's just where I need to put them. But yeah, that's definitely not going to stay because I don't think it looks very nice. Moving on over, we have some shelves. These are the same shelves that I had in my last studio, but you guys probably never saw them. So I've just got some things up there. Got some things from The Nightmare Before Christmas, things from Laura Mercier, some things from Rugrats and Blue's Clues. And then over this side, I've got some hanging shelves which has some Star Wars stuff, and then also like some things I've got from Laura Mercier, Mecca, P. Louise, stuff like that. Coming down here we just have my Alex set of 6 drawers, and we've just got a little bit of decoration on there. I feel like this came out really sweet. So yeah, that's how that's looking at the moment. Coming over to the window, I eventually want to get some new curtains and stuff because I don't really feel like they look that great, but like I said, I will be doing upgrades and all that kind of stuff. So I've just got some few things up here. I do have some eyeshadow palettes here at the moment which will not be staying because once again I just don't like the look, and all these candles need to find a home. But anyway, I got this set of drawers from Kmart. I think it was about 50, 60, 70, I can't really remember, but they've been really good. These hold all of my Halloween costumes, so it's full of Halloween stuff at the moment, which is good because trying to store Halloween stuff has been a nightmare. So, and then just in this drawer I am going to eventually move it, but I've just got some stuff for a giveaway in there at the moment. So yeah. Okay, coming over here we have a set of cubes, which I did have in the last studio, but once again you guys would have never seen them. So once again we've got some more decoration stuff, and then down here I have stored new makeup, new skincare, and then more new makeup, and then hair care. So like my straightener, my waver wand, all that kind of stuff. On the floor over here is looking like a shambles. I'll explain that in a minute. And then up on top is where I have all of my Simpsons things, and then we just have a little bit more decoration on this shelf here. This is going to be my filming desk. It's a lot smaller than my last one because I didn't want to bring the big one in because I feel like it takes up too much space. So eventually I need to get a different brush organizer or different brush holder so that I can have a little bit more space, because these brushes are taking up way too much room at the moment. Over here I have things just like, I've got a room spray, have some cotton buds, some makeup pads, hair care, that kind of stuff. In there is just random bits like my hairbrush, claw clips, all that kind of stuff. And then we have my sponges in there. So then we come to the floor, which all of my makeup is still in boxes, and that's because over on my Patreon I'm doing the working my way through my makeup collection video. So I really need to start smashing through those so that I can put this makeup back into my collection, but we will get there eventually. That's why everything's in boxes. It doesn't look the greatest at the moment, but obviously it's not going to be like that forever. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just going to give you another like overview so you can see it all together. But yeah, so the desk, the door, drawers, shelves. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turning out. Can't wait to add a few more upgrades. But yeah, that's how it's looking at the moment. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.